Now I have to say, this is one beautiful tile cutter, an amazing piece of machinery. Let's unbox. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. This is a highly requested video reviewing the 3D4 series, which is Sigma's most popular high-performance tile cutters. This one here is called the 3D4. It is a 36-inch manual tile cutter. And like usual, what we're going to do is very simple. Unbox this, bring the camera up close, show you what this brand new 36-inch Sigma tile cutter looks like up close. And of course, we will test different types of material from ceramic all the way down to hard 36-inch porcelain. Let's get right to it. Let's unbox. And here it is. Beautiful looking tile cutter. This is definitely, without a doubt, one of the best tile cutters available on the market. There are currently two best-selling tile cutters on the market right now, one being Monolith and two being Sigma. And for all of you Sigma owners and Sigma fans, I'm sure you love unboxing and witnessing what it looks like and feels like to open up a brand new Sigma tile cutter. Booklet here for instructions, brochure, parts. Here is your fence here for your straight cuts and diagonal cuts. This can cut up to 37 inches for a rip. This can also cut up to 24 inches diagonally. Let's pull this fence off, set this cutter up, and show you what it looks like up close. Go over the basic specs of the Sigma 3D4. First, we remove the fence and we install here. Using this spring-loaded push button here, set it straight, release, or turn it and lock it in place here as well for your 45-degree cuts or your straight cuts. Now, unlike the Monolith, this is a pull handle design to score and snap your tile. It has an extremely strong, durable rail system here, stainless steel for really accurate and precise cuts. This model has newly improved spring-loaded trays and tables here. For more braking power, you can also adjust this bar to cut up to 3/4 of an inch. You simply loosen the nut, adjust it to where you want it, tighten the nut. This Sigma does have an extension arm right here for your large format tiles to support it for your cross cuts. And like I said before, it can rip up to 36 inches and diagonally cut up to 24 inches. And only weighing 30 pounds, very light, easy to pick up and move around. Let's show you how well it performs, make some cuts. We start with ceramic. Extremely clean and easy cut. Let's move to a 36-inch porcelain plank. Moving on to a 3-foot, 36-inch porcelain plank. Excellent cut. Quick and easy, 36 inches. And lastly, moving on to this very extremely hard textured porcelain tile, 12 by 24. Again, not a problem. at all. Extremely clean cut. Now I have to say, this is one beautiful tile cutter, an amazing piece of machinery. Well, there you have it, the Sigma 36-inch tile cutter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like usual, if you want to see future tile tool videos, tap that subscribe button down there. If you want to help my channel, best way to do that is to tap the thumbs up button down there, and I'll see you on the next one.